One designer, two houses. How Sonali crafted their dream home interiors. Step inside two beautifully crafted 3 BHK homes in Thane, Mumbai, designed by Sonali. In this exclusive tour, we are going to see how each residence reflects its unique personality through smart interior designs, creative space utilization, and stylish decor. From contemporary living spaces to well-planned kitchen designs, discover how Sonali transforms her client's vision to life. She transforms homes with thoughtful design elements that blends aesthetics with functionality. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through these two remarkable 3 BHK homes designed by Sonali. We hope you enjoyed exploring the unique design elements that truly makes each space stand out. Stay tuned for more inspiring home tours, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to keep inspiring yourself about new design ideas. I'll come back again in another brand new episode. See you soon.